Advert. Meaning. Advert refers to an advertisement, especially a short one, used to promote products, services, or ideas. Definition. Advert is a noun that is a short form of advertisement. It generally refers to a brief notice or a promotional message, designed to capture attention and inform the public about something, like a product or service. Examples in sentences. 1. The company released an advert to promote their new product line. Here, advert means a promotional message aimed at informing people about the product. 2. She saw the advert for the concert in the local paper. In this sentence, advert refers to a short advertisement about the concert. Usage. Advert is commonly used in informal contexts and is synonymous with advertisement. It is used to refer to any type of marketing or promotional message, especially short ones found in newspapers, online, or on TV.
English practice.